If you own a pair of Rode Wireless Pro, it comes with these Rode Lavalier II, which sounds great, but the problem is this little clip. The way it's designed, sooner or later you're going to end up losing it. So this video is about how to get the replacement part because it's not as easy as it should be, and I couldn't find any third-party options. So from Rode.com, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on Contact Us, Submit Ticket, Spare Parts Request, fill out this form, make sure you have the serial number ready, which can be found on the back of the transmitter or the receiver. When you're done filling out the form, click Submit. And then you're going to get an email like this asking for your name and address again, in addition to your sales receipt and the actual picture of the item. And just when you think you're done, you're going to get a second email saying that it's $8.33 each and how many of them you want. I ordered 3 of them, so it came out to be $31.35. That was fun, wasn't it?